Okay guys, so why Tomarket will be listing, guys, there's a huge opportunity right here on the get.io exchange, which will actually give you the privilege to maximize your earning here on the get.io. okay, so with this, guys, you have the privilege to earn more of the Toma coins for yourself right here by answering just simple questions here on the get.io. So if you observe, guys, this is one of the exchange I do talk about in my video on daily basis, because I have benefited a lot from this particular exchange, get.io. okay, because they give a lot of opportunities, participating on the startup mining and something of this nature. Okay, so you can see this is another opportunity for you guys. If you are watching this video right now and you have get.io exchange, I will urge you to participate on this. And guys, if you are yet to have the get.io exchange here on your mobile device, guys, I will advise you to download this exchange right now. Okay, so I'm gonna leave the link to download the app here in the description of this video, and also don't forget to use my referral code. Okay, I'm gonna leave that in the comment section and also in the description of this video. Okay guys, so before we continue, if you are coming across my channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and make sure you turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss any of my updates. Okay, so guys, without wasting much of my time, let's go straight to the video. All right, so I'm gonna leave the link to this particular page in the comment section of this video. So once you click on the link, this is the very first thing you will see right here. Okay, don't forget this is the web version. Okay, if you are living in Nigeria, the best thing to do is using a VPN, because the web version is actually restricted here in our country. Okay, so if you are also living in a country where get.io is restricted, consider using a VPN and make sure you switch your VPN to Brazil. Okay, that is the country I am using right here. Okay, so once you enter the link, this is where you will find yourself. So here they say click the button to enter. Okay, so you can see right now we have three projects ongoing right here. So here they have the Tomarket, and they have this, you can see the Hirist and also the vieo. Okay, so here you can actually participate on this. Okay, and you may be asking, what do I need to do right here? So if I scroll down right here, you can see the instructions right here. So here they say how to participate in get.io, answer and earn. Okay, so this is the instruction number 1. Here they say select the ongoing project on the home page and click the button to enter. Okay, so I will show you how to do that. And number 2, they say click join now on the event page to participate. So that is the instruction number 2. And instruction number 3, here they say click answer now to participate the quiz and earn points. Okay, that is the instruction. So instruction number 4, here they say complete additional tasks to earn more points. Okay, so the last instruction, which is the number 5 instruction, they say redeem points for chances to draw out fancy rewards. So that is the instructions on how to participate on this answer and earn events here on the get.io. Okay, so you may be asking this kind of question like, what are the additional tasks? So if I click on this plus sign right here, and you can see this is it. They say in addition to earning points by completing quizzes, users can also earn more points by completing tasks to participate in the lucky draw. Okay, so I'll be showing you this in this video, guys. And here they also ask, can users participate in quizzes for multiple projects? Okay, so that is it. You can see here they have 3 projects here. Okay, I think I didn't mention this particular one, this bit board. Okay, I didn't mention that. So that simply means, okay, there are lots of project, guys, right here. They have the Toma and the rest of them. Okay, so back to the question, can users participate in quizzes for multiple projects? So if I click on the plus sign just to see all, and they say sure, users can select the ongoing projects on the home page and click button to participate in the event. So now this is a very, very important question, which I know a lot of you will be asking this. Okay, so as long as you are participating on this question is very, very necessary. So this is it, how to claim the reward. So if I click to expand this, now here they say rewards will be distributed within 14 working days after the event. The reward announcement will be released on the get.io news. Okay, so after participating on this event, guys, and your reward will be given out to you after 14 working days. Okay, so now back to the video, how to participate on this. So let's assume you want to participate on the Tomarket project, so you click on it. Okay, so I will click on join now. All right, and this is it. You can see here you are to answer and earn. Okay, take the quiz. So now this is it. If I click on join now, and this is the first thing you will see. Now this is my credits, what I am having right here. I have 310 credits here on the get.io currently, and so here I am to redeem 300 community honor credits to join. Okay, so I will click on redeem now, and that is it. You have signed up for the event. So at this point, guys, I can actually participate on this. So to participate on this, I will click on answer now. So this is the rules to participate on this. Take note of this. Okay, this is for the Tomarket answer and earn. So the first rule there, they say there are 10 questions in total. You will earn points for each correct answer and can use this point to enter a lucky draw. Okay, now the number 2, they say after you finishing, you can see that after you finishing, the page will show your results. You can watch and add to get another chance at the question you missed. Okay, you understand that, just in case you actually missed a particular question, so there is another chance for you there to watch a video ad, then have another chance to participate on the very question which you actually missed. Okay, and number 3 here, they say if you answer all questions correctly, you can complete additional tasks for more points and share in the generous reward. Okay, so at this point I am good to go. So I will click on answer now, and this is the very first question. They say what is the name of the blockchain Tomarket is integrating with to enhance its capabilities? So here they have the Ethereum, they have the Aptos, they have the NIA, and they also Solana. And here this is the answer. Here the answer here is a B, so I will select B. Okay, congrats, you're right. And question number 2, how many daily active users does Tomarket currently have? Okay, so at this point, guys, I need to confirm, and just to be sure I am right, so I'll just I'm not too sure, but let me use the A. Yeah, oops, I was wrong. Okay, so that is it, guys. I don't want to make this video longer. Just make sure you are answering this question correctly. In fact, anyone you don't understand, make sure you do your research first before answering the question. Okay, so for the sake of making this video shorter, let me end here. Then after this video, I'll actually complete my task right here. So I'll go back. That is not all, guys. I also have a good news for you here from the get.io app. Okay, so if you actually observe the app, you might have noticed some changes. Okay, so you can see here on the get.io, you can actually come here to learn a lot, because people are actually posting here. In fact, you can also post here, you understand. So while people are posting here, you can actually use the medium to learn more about crypto here on the get.io. So you can see here, this person say, I didn't go short last night, this morning I went long at, you can see the figure currently, I have profit of 2,000 plus in get.io. I also went long on Ethereum at around, so if I expand this, you can see the complete write-up right here. So you have a lot to learn right here, and you can see here people are already dropping their comments. So this can actually happen in the app. Okay, so if I click on that, this is it. They say open the app. Okay, so to see more of this, open the app, and you will see this. Don't worry, I will show you that in this video. I will show you that. Okay, and this is it. You can actually come here to learn from other experts here on get.io, guys. That is the good news, right? And I also have another thing. Okay, this is it. Let me show you that. All right, so this is another good news from get.io. You can see here they just introduced this live stream of a thing here on the get.io, and you can see here people are making videos. Okay, people are going live here to teach you a lot of things which you need to know about crypto. So you can see this particular person here is live. You can see that now. This is it. Hold, stake and earn exclusive reward. So this is what you'll be learning on this particular live stream. Okay, so don't forget to participate on this. You have to use the mobile app, okay, to make the whole things easier for you. And this is another person, okay, just in case you are from the China, this should be for you. Okay, and this is another one, startup SaaS Go. Okay, so here you can learn a lot, and this is another thing here. This was a market review today, so this will actually help you guys, as you'll be hearing from crypto experts direct with the help of this live stream right here. Okay, so this is something we have been asking, you know, for those of you coming into the world of crypto newly. This is something you need to do. Okay, you have a lot to learn. Okay, so as a crypto enthusiast, you have to go deep. All right, so this is where this will actually help you. Okay, so that is it, guys. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget, if you love what I'm doing on this channel, why not give this video a thumbs up, guys, and also subscribe to this channel. That is the only way you can support me, guys. Okay, so subscribe to this channel and make sure you turn on your notification bell so that whenever I post an update, guys, you will get the notification. Okay, don't forget, I do post updates on regular on my Telegram channel, so why not consider joining it? Okay, I'm actually gonna leave the link in the description of this video. Thank you, guys, and make sure you are using the get.io exchange. Okay, if you are watching this video and you are not using that exchange yet, I can boldly tell you, you are missing out a lot. Okay, don't forget to use my link in the description, and also use my referral code. Thank you, guys, and see you in my next video.